ni Mercy, nagkakilala kami niyan nung mga nasa 25 kami. Nabighani agad ako dyan nung makilala ko yan.
So thank you for the TLC, Tender Love and Care.
Si Mama ay isang lovable mother na laging nag-aalaga sa amin simula ng bata pa. Parang sobrang maalalahaning mama.
There's no better day, it's time to get away. I wanna see it all. The world is open wide, I wanna feel alive. I hear adventure call.
60 ka na, andito na yung pinaka-asam-asam na libreng sine. Ayun lang, happy birthday and we love you.
Ang wish ko for you is good health, more time spending with your loved ones, friends, family. Just enjoy life always. Happy birthday, Ma!
Wishing you a full life of happiness. At lagi mong tandaan na love ka na. Happy birthday, Mama. Love you.
This is the good life. This is the good life.
Ma, sa iyong 60th birthday, ako'y nagpapasalamat sa Diyos na nabiyayaan ka ng magandang buhay, pinagpala ka, na ang dalangin ko sa iyo na humaba pa ang iyong buhay at dalangin ko na ang kalusugan mo ay laging maging mabuti.
Hey, hey, what are you saying? Feels like a perfect day.
May the light of each candle you will blow tonight continue to illuminate your God-given life for the coming years ahead.
Sana stay confident, humble.
My dearest Mars Mercy, good luck, good health, and God bless you more and more. And stay as sweet and beautiful as you are.
Stay beautiful, healthy, and sweet at all times. God bless you always, abundantly.
Gusto ko lang, just continue to be that good, godly, God-fearing actually, at maganda.
Know that nasa puso ko lagi ang pagiging kaibigan at pagiging kumari natin. That you're a very good person. Happy birthday and happy Mother's Day.
This is the good life. This is the good life. There's no better day. It's time to get away. I hear adventure call. Now the world is ours.
Let's show some love for the Queen of the Night, Mercy!
This is the good life. 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 This is the good life.